Okay, so I transitioned these from indoor plants. They were spider plants indoors, and because it was just too much indoors, I decided let's bring them outside. They just kept having a hard time with growing and flourishing, and they're doing so much better out here. I also added some seeds. I don't even know what it was. Some flour. I just picked up one of those little packets from the dollar store, and I just sprinkled something in there, hoping to get some type of flower. But so far, I just see more spider plant, which is fine. I just wanted to see what I would yield from this. This one is starting, it's germinated, but it's like very, very little. I feel bad because that one kept suffering inside my house. So I decided, oh, let's put it outside. And, you know, how it used to be, it's gone, but it's getting back to being a beautiful, flourishing plant now that it's outside. So it's three of these I got from someone, and I think they're doing great, and I'm very happy that they are out here. They seem to be much happier. With plants, you have to be very, very, they're like people, they're like children. You have to know exactly how to take care of them, and everything affects them, whether it's your mood or your absence, or everything. And so I realized that they weren't happy. I know it's a strange word, but for plants, but they weren't thriving inside my house, even though they were originally indoor plants. They did better outside in my garden with my outdoor plants. So I think I'm going to keep them out here from now on. I usually don't do much with them. I just come out every now and then, check on them. They don't need a lot of water. So basically when it rains, that's pretty much all they need is rain. If you live in a climate that gets a lot of rain and thunderstorms in the summer, then you're good with these kinds of plants. So you can water them yourself, but even now, if I touch the soil, it's still pretty moist. And they've been out here, um, but it has been raining the past few days. This one might be a little drier, but it's still not ready to be watered. I can feel it. It's still like, it's still pretty wet. So yeah, I'm just going to keep watching them and continue to leave them outside if they seem like they are doing good. So yeah, you can transfer indoor plants from to outdoors if you feel like they're not working inside of your house.